Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Prisma. Today we are going to learn connecting to the MongoDB using Prisma in the Node.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Those who haven't watched my previous videos like how I create this Prisma file, how I do with the MongoDB or something like this, so you have to watch that one, okay? Otherwise, I'm explaining what exactly we have, how to connect to the MongoDB. So here we go with this one. So this is a structure that we have, Prisma, schema Prisma. So in the schema Prisma, you have to go with the provider and the preview features, that is MongoDB. In the data source DB, you have to make sure the added the provider, that is MongoDB, then database URL, that is the connection string. So this is my connection string with auth source admin with writes true and the majority. Okay, so make sure the connection string to be properly added. Okay, then we have a schema, then you have a user model. Okay, so make sure the schema should use the object id in the MongoDB. Then the email, then the name we have already, right? So this is the schema that should be created a table into your MongoDB, right? So this is done. Now what we have to do, I'm going to create a server.js file. Okay, so here the same server.js file where I'm creating the user. So here I'm going to create technical Rajni @gmail.com, and here I'm going to add my full name, that is Rajnikant Chaudhary. Okay, after that it will console.log that the new user is created, and the main catch throw error, and if finally done, then disconnect the. Okay, so let's see this is working or not. So what we have to run the command first. So first, here you can see, so first we have to go with this one. So first of all, we will go with the npx prisma generate. Okay, then we have go with the tb push to create the file of the model user schema. Okay, this is done. After this, we have to go with the node server.js to create a user into that model. And you can see technical Rajni is added. Let's go to this MongoDB and just refresh this collection. And here we go with this one. So here, let's view the documents. Here we have the technical registry and this one. So the user is inserted over here. So this is how you can do the connection to the MongoDB using Prisma in the Node.js. Thank you so much for watching this video. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.